ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ
ಹಾಂ.
ರೂರಲ್ ಫ್ಲೋಗೆ.
ನಾವು ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಈಗ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಡೋಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್
Fixed dose means modified regimen will be given for them. Like based on weight bending to 15 mg per kg, 10 mg per kg, we'll give separate medicines.
Okay. And
Ethambutol,
first
like,
will you check which is the medicine that is causing their symptoms?
Yeah, what is their side effects, based on that they will change.
Okay. So they have to take like every 3 days one type of medicine or how?
No, daily only. Daily.
This
same.
HR now separate tablets you will give them. They'll take all separate tablets on the same day.
Yeah, same day. All separate tablets same day with lower dose.
Okay.
Because if it is 1500 they are taking from DRBs, will be given 300 mg.
Okay.
INH will be given 300, rifampicin 450, ethambutol 400, pyrazinamide 750 or 500 sometimes.
Okay.
Will be given separately, but they have to take it as a 4 pills only morning.
Per
all
day?
4. Yeah, per day 4.
Okay. That color coding anything, you know? Color coding regarding the individual tablets?
Yeah, it is there. 300.
INH 300.
This is ethambutol 400.
Okay. It also looks white only.
Yeah. But little color changes. This is ethambutol 800.
Okay.
This is pyrazinamide 500.
Okay.
This is also 500. Idu rifampicin 450.
Okay.
Capsule. It will come in form of capsule only.
Okay.
This is rifampicin 150.
Okay. This also looks like this only.
Yeah, so a little bit bigger.
Okay.
This
Color will be
quantity.
same.
Color will be same. Look like same.
Okay.
Capsules idu kuda.
Okay.
ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈಜ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ ಇದು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ 30 minutes criteria or
ಸೇಮ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್, ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿತಿನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಪಿಲ್ಸ್ ಎನಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿತಿನ್ 30 minutes.
ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ TB for the second time, the whole treatment is same or
same whole treatment is same. Now first it was category 1 and category 2 ittu. Category 2 ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸೆಪ್ಟೊಮೈಸಿನ್ injection for 2 months. Then same like medicines will be given for them, but now there is no difference between Cat 1 and Cat 2.
Okay.
Fresher case and previously treated case are both treated at similar only. But only thing is we'll send the samples to CBNet.
Okay.
Drug sensitivity test ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆನೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. It comes sensitive, will same there is no difference.
Okay.
Same treatment is also same, tablets is also same.